Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will learn about stock maintenance and Godowns in Tally ERP 9. Select Inventory Features from Company Features to enable Godowns. Maintain multiple Godowns as yes. Now create stock item. Create two different stock item. Write GST X rate in stock item. Now create multiple Godowns. Select Godowns from Inventory Info. Write any Godown name and save it. Now create Purchase and Sales Voucher in Accounting Vouchers. Select Party Name from the Ledger list. Select Stock Item from the list. A window will appear to select Godown for stock item. Select Godown for the selected stock item. Write quantity and rate of the stock item. Select Godowns from the list for all the item. Now save the purchase invoice. Click on Stock Summary to see the summary of stock. Here are the closing balance of all the stock item. Select Party Name for Sales Invoice. Select Godown from the list. There is list of Godown and quantity of stock item in Godown. Now there are 100 PCS in Godown 1 of stock item. Select Godown and write quantity and rate. There are 85 pieces of item 2 in Godown 2. Write all the information in invoice and save the invoice. Now we will see the Godown report and stock report. Select Godowns from Statements of Inventory. Here is the list of all the Godowns. Closing balance of stock items will show here in selected Godowns. After clicking on any item, it will show in details of inward supply and outward supply of stock. This is the closing balance of selected item. Select another Godown from the list and see the report. Here it is showing purchase quantity as inwards and sales quantity as outwards. Select Main Location Godown to see the report of this. Check Stock Item-wise report from Inventory Books. Select item name from the list to see the detailed report. You can also transfer stock item from one Godown to other Godown in Tally. Choose Inventory Vouchers from Gateway of Tally. From Stock Journal, we can transfer one item from a Godown to other Godown. Write stock name here in Consumption. Select base Godown of the stock item. Write quantity and rate of the item. Select stock item and select the Godown in which the quantity is to be transferred. Now check the Godown report. See, there is no stock in main location. Stock item 2 has come here in Godown 2. It is showing voucher type as Stock Journal because we have transferred it from other Godown. In this way, it has also come in Godown 1. In this way, we can use multiple Godown in Tally ERP 9 and maintain stock. You can also import all the data with stock item and multiple Godowns from Excel to Tally by excelfortally.com. Sign up for free on excelfortally.com to import your data. Mail or call us for any query. Subscribe to our channel to get latest updates on what are other videos for help on Tally. Thank you for watching the video.